Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Viking Quest on Craftersmc. First, find the quest giver in the main hub. They'll outline your initial tasks. You'll need to gather basic resources, such as wood and stone, to craft your first set of tools. These tools are crucial for progressing through the early stages of the quest. Pay close attention to the quest log for specific item requirements and locations. This will set you up for a successful start in your Viking journey. Next, let's focus on crafting. You'll need to build a sturdy longboat, which requires 50 oak planks and 15 wool blocks. This boat is essential for exploring new territories. Don't forget to forge a reliable Viking sword using 20 iron ingots. It's vital for combat. Efficient resource management is key, so keep your inventory organized. Prioritize carrying quest items and essential tools to avoid unnecessary trips back to base. Now, it's time for exploration and combat. Use your longboat to navigate treacherous waters, discovering new islands and hidden treasures. Be prepared to engage hostile mobs. Your crafted sword and shield will be your best defense. Mastering combat techniques is crucial for survival. Each island presents unique minute challenges, and completing them will earn you valuable quest rewards, helping you advance further in your Viking adventure. Stay vigilant and explore thoroughly. Finally, let's talk about completing your quest and claiming your rewards. Once all objectives are met, return to the original quest giver in the main hub. They will acknowledge your achievements and bestow your final rewards. Expect to receive legendary Viking armor and a bonus of 500 gold coins for your efforts. This gear will significantly boost your character's abilities. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your well-earned spoils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.